Okay. So have you enjoyed the activities today? Very good. So now come to the end of this program, that is life skills learn with fun soft skill outbound training. In this event we have learned so many things, so many activities we have played. We have learned leadership, team building, how to win the matches, and now we are come to the prize distribution. So let me clear the first thing very first, that today everyone is winner. So don't consider yourself as a loser because you all have played very well. So first clap for yourself, all of you. Because everyone has played, has given them outstandingly, they have done the activities and tasks. So all the best for you for your future. So now moving forward, I would like to call the first standard, and I would request Mr. Safar sir for awarding the first standard for their performance in the next in this activities. So first standard, please come.
All right. Alhamdulillah, it was really a nice experience as we have just restarted this session after Diwali vacations, and I can see the smile on the faces of my kids. They've truly enjoyed the sessions today. I thank Life Skills Director Mr. Parwez Khan sir and his team for all the efforts that they have taken and all the activities that they have successfully conducted today. I appreciate the participation of my kids, my teachers, Principal Farah Madam and your team. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair.
So I thank all the people, those who were the part of this activity. Thank you so much.
This ceremony, thank you very much, and always be attentive, learn new things and enjoy your life. Thank you very much.